Your next car could be the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.